health enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have 5 cookie recipes for weight loss, so let's get cooking and work towards a healthier you. Wait! Before starting the dessert recipes video, we introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 5, Coconut and Date Cookies. Blend dates, shredded coconut, and a bit of coconut oil until a sticky paste forms. Stir in rolled oats and shape into cookies. Bake until they turn golden. Recipe 4, Carrot Cake Breakfast Cookies. Grate carrots and mix them with oats, chopped walnuts, raisins, and a touch of honey. Form into cookies and bake until lightly browned. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 3, Chocolate Avocado Cookies. Blend ripe avocados with cocoa powder, a sweetener like maple syrup, and a bit of vanilla extract. Mix in whole wheat flour and chocolate chips. Bake until set. Recipe 2, Almond Butter Protein Cookies. In a bowl, combine almond butter, protein powder, honey, and a pinch of salt. Form the mixture into small cookies and place them on parchment paper. Bake until they firm up. Recipe 1, Oatmeal Banana Cookies. Mash ripe bananas in a bowl. Mix in rolled oats, a dash of cinnamon, and a handful of raisins or chopped nuts. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake until golden. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get Alpilean? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.